Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, please consider subscribing to my channel for awesome content. Hope all of you are doing good. Today I'm going to talk about PPF. What is PPF? PPF stands for Public Provident Fund. This was introduced by the National Savings Scheme of India. This was introduced in around 1960s. The purpose of this instrument is savings plus tax benefits. How is PPF structured? PPF is structured in such a way that it is a long-term investment tool. The duration in PPF is 15 years. So if you start investing today, you'll get the corpus after 15 years of your time. Now, how much amount can you invest in PPF? The amount has a cap. So you have a minimum cap of 500 rupees per annum to a maximum cap of 1.5 lakh per annum. That means you cannot go beyond 1.5 lakh in your PPF investment. For example, if you miss your PPF installment, what is the penalty? The penalty is 50 rupees per fiscal year. So for example, if you have not paid for 3 years, the amount which is being invested becomes dormant. It gets active when you pay again the minimum amount, which is 500 per year, into the penalty also. So 500 per year into 3, which is 500 into 3, 1500, and 50 into 3, 150. Who is eligible for opening an PPF account? All resident Indians are eligible for opening a PPF account who are 18 and above. The people or the person or the minors who are not 18 and above, the parents become the legal holders of their PPF. Unfortunately, NRIs cannot open a PPF account because the rules have changed. Earlier they used to, but now the rules have changed. You cannot open a PPF account. If you had opened a PPF account earlier, you can still operate it, but you cannot extend it beyond 15 years. Two most important things that you need to know about PPF is, first, one person can only have one PPF account. Second, it cannot be held as a holding against a liability. What are the benefits of a PPF account? The very first benefit is tax exemptions. The total amount that you get after your 15 years tenure is totally exempt from tax. Plus you get the benefit of compounding. The second benefit is you get a tax rebate under ATC if you are investing in PPF. What if you want to withdraw amount from PPF before the tenure of 15 years? So there are two provisions here. The first provision is under 6 years and the second provision is after 6 years. So if you are withdrawing before 6 years, you cannot. That's a rule. You can take a loan against it. The loan percentage will be the interest percentage of PPF plus 2. This means 7.1, which is the current rate, plus 2, which amounts to 9.1 interest on the loan. The scenario for withdrawing after 6 years are different. You have to submit some proofs. There are two criteria under which you can withdraw. The first criteria is critical illness within your family or yourself. The second is high education. So you have to submit proofs for this. Then you can withdraw the total amount. There is a penalty though. There is a penalty of 1%. So if the current rate is 7.1, the penalty is 1%. So 7.1 minus 1, 6.1% will be your interest that you get. How will you open a PPF account? Today's world, you can open a PPF account online. You can link it with any of your bank accounts. From my perspective, everyone should have a PPF account because it's simply guaranteed income, which is tax-free, and it's a long-term investment which you tend not to withdraw. All these considered, it's an excellent tool for investing and making use of compounding. Alright guys, that was it regarding PPF. I hope it was informative enough, under 5 minutes. I urge every one of you to open a PPF account as soon as you start your first job or first business. That will help you in the long run. Thank you everyone for watching. If you're new, please consider subscribing, leave a like, and please do comment and share. Cheers.